Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can include a Jupyter notebook onto your Wix.com website. So start from the Wix dashboard here and then click on this button to edit your site. It'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. Now, no matter which platform you use to code your Jupyter notebook, the general consensus will be the same, which will be uploading it to a drive and then using a website to embed the drive onto your Wix.com website. So for example, here I have this code on my Jupyter notebook here, and this is coded in Google Colab. So I already have it uploaded in my drive. I have it here, for example. So no matter which platform you use, you need to upload your Jupyter notebook file in the .ipynb format. So even if you code it outside of Google Colab, upload it to your drive in this format here. But after you've uploaded it, click on the three dots and then click on share. Click on share again. Make sure it says anyone with the link and make it viewer, not editor. If it's editor, then any random stranger from the internet can edit this file. But after you've make sure it's anyone with the link and viewer, click on this, copy link. And then you'll have to go to this website here, iframely.com/domain/Google Drive. And then just paste in the link here and then click on refresh. It'll fetch, and this is the code you'll have to put into your Wix website. It'll look like this, the frame. So click on this, copy code. Now go back to your Wix website. Click on this, add elements. On add elements, scroll down and get this embed code. On embed code, go to embed HTML. On embed HTML, it'll pop up a little pop-up window like here and paste in the code you got earlier from iframely.com and then click on this update. Now close out. Wait for it to load. Now you have included your code from Jupyter Notebook onto your Wix website. Let's preview it to check if it works. Preview, wait for it to load. Now we can click on this. It'll redirect us onto the code from earlier, just like that.